Welcome to Forever Figueroa. I'm going to show you how to make the cake in this photo. First, I started off by making 2 cakes in a small baking dish. Right now I'm going to go ahead and cut off the tops so I can level the cake layers. Don't throw away that top piece. Go ahead and save it to make cake pops. Or you can also give it to the children so that they can snack on it before the cake is finished. Now I'm getting the second layer, and I'm going to do the same by cutting off the top piece. And then I'm going to place both layers back into the freezer so that they are nice and firm, which will make it easier for me to pipe the frosting on. I went ahead and made some homemade buttercream frosting to go ahead and frost the cakes, which I used 3 sticks of butter and 6 cups of powdered sugar until I blended it well. Now that the cakes are cold enough, I'm going to go ahead and do what is called a crumb layer, where I am just applying plain buttercream all around it. It sort of acts as a glue for whatever I'm going to put on top of it, whether it's fondant or more buttercream. In this case, I'll be applying more buttercream, just in a different color. So once I'm done applying the crumb coat, I will be putting it back into the freezer so that it can get stiff, where it will be easier for me to apply the next buttercream, which here it is. I'm doing this blue buttercream that I made. It is the same as the one I used for the crumb coat, just I added some food coloring. So I made this light blue colored first and covered the whole cake. Then I got a darker blue and kind of just splashed it all over to give like a water color effect. I wanted to add some purple, so I went ahead and just used some food coloring and added some of that all over. And just kind of swished it all the way around. I went ahead and cleaned off the cake plate once I thought it looked good enough. And now I'm applying these beautiful butterflies that I got from the Dollar Tree. Her theme was Alice in Wonderland, and this just reminded me, the butterflies reminded me of when the caterpillar turns into a beautiful butterfly. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Leena had a wonderful birthday party and the cake looked beautiful.